Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this week or last week the government received 6 more buses for the JUTC fleet. Now the JUTC is a government run bus service and they operate in the Kingston metropolitan area and they cover Kingston, Portmore and Spanish Town, and those areas are the most populated in Jamaica. So the bus or the transport via the road is the main way of transport in Jamaica. We don't have the train service that runs these routes for passengers, and we don't have an airline. So to move around you need the buses. So to effectively operate in those three areas, the JUTC needs to roll out 400 buses a day. Now currently some reports have it at 200 buses roll out a day, some less, some more. So to get to the 400, these 6 will definitely help. Now as a result of not having enough buses, people have to wait at the bus stops for a long time for the bus to come, and it wastes time, it's not very productive for the country. So every additional bus that they get in will be useful. Last month in September, right before school started, 50 new buses came in. They are out and running and performing well. Some were electric buses, and the government announced after that 20 additional buses were coming before the end of the year. So that would be 70 new buses. And of the 20 that are to come by the end of the year, these 6 are a part of it. So 6 came last week. So 14 more are to come before the end of December. Now the government also announced that they're going to make a big announcement about buses before the end of the year. So it's like a Christmas present to the nation. So I'm hoping, or it sounds like, more buses will be coming in 2024. But no official announcement has been made yet, but we will keep you updated. So we're going to go through an article that gives you more information on these 6 buses that came. As the government continues to make good on its promise to create a more sustainable transport sector, the JUTC continues to receive additional buses to alleviate the strain on public transport. The buses received utilize compressed natural gas, CNG, which makes travel safer since they reduce harmful vehicular exhaust gas emissions like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and other suspended particles. These buses are larger and so are able to seat 50 persons and can accommodate up to 20 standing passengers. Managing Director of the JUTC, Paul Abrahams, expressed relief with the arrival of the new units, as their addition to the existing fleet will help to boost a service to commuters who rely on public transport. He also expressed solidarity with the vision of being a responsible corporate citizen by adhering to practices that positively impact the environment, society, and governance. There are 14 additional buses scheduled for arrival in December. So that's the end of the update. So guys, let us know what you think about the arrival of these new buses, and also the time period in which they are coming. I mean, we need 400. Let's just assume we have 200. I think it's good that we got 6, but it should be 60 that come in. But I guess it's a work in progress. So guys, let us know what you think about the upgrade of the JUTC fleet and the time that it's taking. And also, if you have any experience having to wait on a bus, let us know what it's like. Is it really an hour sometimes to wait on a bus? What's the wait like? And we'll keep you guys updated on the buses as they make announcements. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.